2026 Mercedes-Maybach Gran Coupe. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Gran Coupe Black and Gold represents the peak of ultra-luxury and futuristic design. Built by Mercedes-Benz, this vehicle combines elegance, innovation, and power in one stunning package. Its bold black and gold theme instantly gives it a premium and exclusive identity. Sparkles exterior details. The exterior design of this Gran Coupe is sleek, long, and incredibly eye-catching. The glossy black paint is perfectly paired with gold accents around the grille, bumper, windows, and rear diffuser. At the front, you get a bold vertical slat grille with a luxury Maybach badge, giving the car a strong road presence. Slim LED headlights add a futuristic and aggressive look. From the side, the coupe-style body flows smoothly, making the car look sporty while still being a full-size luxury sedan. Large multi-spoke alloy wheels enhance the premium feel. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar creates a modern look, while quad exhaust with gold detailing add a sporty touch. Interior features. Step inside, and you enter a world of pure luxury. The cabin is crafted with premium Napa leather, real with trims, and elegant gold accents that match the exterior theme. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating with extended legroom, making long journeys extremely relaxing. Everything inside the cabin is designed to give a first-class experience. Dashboard technology. The dashboard features a large curved digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system. It runs on the latest MBUX system, offering voice control, AI personalization, augmented reality navigation. Ambient lighting adds a premium atmosphere, allowing you to customize colors according to your mood. This makes night driving especially luxurious. Engine performance. Under the hood, this model is expected to offer hybrid and fully electric options. The hybrid version may include a twin-turbo V8 engine combined with an electric motor, producing over 700 horsepower. This ensures powerful acceleration and smooth driving. The fully electric version could deliver instant torque and an estimated range of over 400 miles, making it both powerful and efficient. Driving experience. Driving this car is all about comfort and control. The advanced air suspension system adjusts automatically to provide a smooth ride on any road. Rear wheel steering improves handling and makes parking easier. It also includes advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous parking, 360-degree camera. These features ensure maximum safety and convenience. Price in the United States. The expected starting price of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Gran Coupe is around $250,000 in the United States. With additional options and customizations, the price can go beyond $300,000, placing in the ultra-luxury category alongside top-tier brands. Dells and variants. Mercedes-Maybach is likely to offer multiple versions of this car, including standard luxury model, performance-focused variant, fully electric flagship version. Each model will provide different levels of power, features, and customization options. Checkered flag final thoughts. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Gran Coupe Black and Gold is not just a car. It's a symbol of luxury, innovation, and status. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and advanced technology, it stands as one of the most desirable luxury vehicles in the world. If you're looking for a car that combines elegance with cutting-edge features, this model truly defines the future of luxury driving.